Hello and welcome to the PAC Product Overview with me, Pete Kernachan, Technical Trainer here at Comlit PAC. Let's take a look at the PAC product portfolio based on four main categories. The hardware categories being controllers, readers and ID devices designed to meet user, specification and legislative requirements. Then we have the PAC management solution, which is developed to optimize the configuration and ongoing management of your security policies and key holder database, with added real-time monitoring and reporting capability built in. We're now going to go into these four areas in more detail. We'll begin with the PAC 512 DCI and DC door controllers as shown. The PAC controllers provide the intelligence and core control functions, including validating access requests via connected readers or RTE devices, lock control, door contact monitoring including forced and door held open alerts, and connectivity to the management software for event, alarm and configuration updates and local event to action support. Not all access controllers on the market can compare with PAC's fully featured controller that also include onboard key holder database that supports rapid and reliable validation of access requests, one auxiliary input and one output relay per door, the trademarked PAC one-touch test mode that enables single engineer commissioning, and for our integrated lift control capability we have built-in support for this to run in an offline mode, which ensures that the lifts continue to operate as configured even in the event of a communications failure with the management software. The PAC 511 DCI access controller is a one-door controller designed and built for today's requirements. All the feature-rich capability of the 512 DCI built in, same footprint, options, features and capabilities. Simply supports one door read in and read out, simplifying specification and quotation and ultimately installation of the product. Fully integrated into a PAC ecosystem, the 511 DCI works with all PAC network products and supports third-party integration through Weekly. PAC 500 series controllers are available in lockable metal cabinets, pre-wired with power supply and tamper switch for easy installation. For further flexibility and installation options, PAC also provide all controllers and power supplies as optional DIN mountable versions. This is backed up by high quality lockable 4- and 6-way DIN rail enclosures. PAC systems are also built to secured by design principles. Now for a truly unique PAC feature that is built into every PAC controller. It's called One Touch and it provides a full onboard system health check that can be used for initial commissioning or as a post-installation diagnostic tool. It means that a commissioning of a PAC system can be performed centrally by a single engineer. In One Touch mode, PAC controllers provide real-time diagnostic information by the onboard LEDs and via the reader's LEDs. Reader wiring and functionality as well as RTE, door contact and input-output function can all be tested without the need for any system programming. These are small form factor industrialized machines specifically designed to run 24/7, providing always-on connectivity to your PAC access control hardware. Let's take a closer look at the Cube SE and the Cube Mini. The SE Cube comes pre-installed with PAC Access Central Standard Edition licensed software, providing for systems of up to 250 doors and 20,000 key holders. It features 2 HDMI outputs, an RJ45 socket, 2 USB-C connectors, 3 USB 3 connectors and 1 USB 2 connector. The Mini Cube comes pre-installed with PAC Access Central Mini software, providing for systems up to 20 doors, 4 CCTV feeds and 1,000 key holders. The Mini Cube features 1 DisplayPort output, 1 HDMI output, an RJ45 socket, 4 USB 3 connectors and 2 USB 2 connectors. Delivered pre-installed with PAC Access Central software, and all necessary drivers, the SE Cube and Mini Cube provide a straightforward plug-and-play experience. PAC Input-Output Controllers are an easy upgrade addition to any networked PAC system and offer unlimited integration opportunities. There are two models. The PAC 520 is focused as an input controller with 20 inputs and 2 output relays. The PAC 530, on the other hand, is an output-focused unit with 12 relays and 2 inputs. The PAC reader range offers high-quality, robust readers available in a number of RFID technology options. Low-frequency readers supporting PAC and KeyPAC credentials as well as other standard 125 kHz credentials. High-frequency readers that support PAC Ops and Ops-like credentials, as well as many other standard 13.56 MHz credentials. Multi-tech or MT readers that can support all of the above credentials and are a fantastic option to support migration from other credential formats to more secure PAC Ops technology. Let's now cover the different PAC RFID solutions. While, of course, we still offer low-frequency options to support our existing customers, it is recommended that all new installations should utilise high-frequency secure credentials. PAC Ops Lite is based on MyFair Classic technology with the addition of PAC Ops Lite protocol for added security. PAC Ops, however, is our recommended RFID credential, using the highly configurable DESFire technology and adding additional layers of PAC protocol security to ensure these credentials offer the best anti-cloning, highly secure solution. Advanced encryption is also used to protect the key information transmitted from the credential to the reader. The Architect reader range supporting our high security PAC Ops ID devices also bring NFC and Bluetooth capability to the PAC reader range. As well as RFID, these readers support mobile ID credentials, which take the secure ID to your smartphone for eco and user friendliness. PAC also provide high quality and reliable biometric fingerprint readers that deliver the highest level of credential security across the PAC range. Typically used in high security installations and for specific environments, biometric readers enable the person to become the access control ID, with the enrollment process being fully integrated into PAC access control software. More information on our biometric solutions can be found on our website. As you can see in the diagram, we have 3 network architectures highlighted, starting at the top right and the bus line architecture. The software is connected via a local or wide area network to the PAC DCI controller. This gateway controller supports a bus of up to an additional 23 512 DC controllers via its inbuilt RS485 port using Cat5 UTP cable. Bottom left, we have the purely IP architecture option. This architecture is suited to a lot of commercial premises that are pre-wired with Cat5 or Cat6 cabling and LAN network ports around the building. That can be used by the PAC system to reduce the cost and time needed to deploy an access control system. Input and output controllers are connected via a 512 or 511 DCI gateway controller via RS485 bus line. The PAC management software solution contains 2 different user interfaces. Access Central is focused on the commercial and educational customers with features enabled for those markets. EasyNet Residential is, as the name suggests, targeted purely at the residential market. Both of these are built on the same software platform. They simply have some targeted features as well as presenting certain fields differently. For example, key holders in Access Central versus staff and residents in EasyNet Residential. They also have in common the capability to fully configure, monitor and maintain the PAC access control policies and key holder database. This extends to supporting different operator roles through fully configurable operator privilege templates. Both platforms also feature alarm and event management with PAC's highly configurable event-to-action engine, providing the ability to program automatic responses to alarms or events to aid security, safety, cost management and asset protection. Also, we have the powerful API with integrated test capability to open up a world of software integration possibilities that support PAC being part of a wider integrated solution with any other system utilising the sharing of information or events across an API. Within the UK, we have built a hosted solution for residential customers that delivers a dedicated EasyNet Residential Pro server within a secured data centre, underpinned by ISO 27001 certification. This includes secure mobile data communications between the site and the hosted software. The server supports operators accessing their system via RDP or standard web browser, providing the ability to change system configuration and maintain the keyholder database. PAC's lift control offering builds from very simple to the more complex, starting with lift call. This is a simple solution that treats the calling of a lift like a door open event. An example of this would be in a hotel where you use your room key to activate the lift. If you don't have a valid room key, the lift remains inactive. We then move to the lift control feature, which adds the ability to secure access to the building's floors to designated key holders only. So the presentation of a valid ID device will allow that key holder to only select the floors they have been granted access to. PAC effectively does this by controlling the lift button panel via PAC 530 units, triggering the control hardware in response to a key holder's access privileges. PAC supports the integration of CCTV that supports video verified events and the ability to have eyes on your secured building through our live control center app. PAC management software currently supports integration of any camera feed through the Milestone VMS platform. Similarly, integration with 3xLogic's Visual VMS is fully supported. We also have a dedicated integration with Axis cameras that can be configured through PAC's dedicated CCTV configuration menu. The Control Center app is a free live monitoring station that provides an operational single pane of glass with tear-off windows that can be used to customize the view across a single or multiple monitors. It provides health monitoring and reporting of the PAC system, an active alarm and event log, a custom interactive map. It can provide CCTV integration view, including video verified alarms and events that support saving video footage as evidence for submission to police or legal proceedings. It provides live occupancy management tracking, plus focused operator alerts can be programmed for alarms or events to ensure action is taken if needed. Overall, Control Center provides a flexible tool for all customers wanting the additional value of live monitoring of their site security. The Active Directory integration is available as a feature pack within our Access Central software. A typical HR-based system will hold a lot of personal information needed to populate the key holder information in the Access Central system, so we've made this simpler by enabling the ability to import information over from the centralized Active Directory that not only greatly reduces the time needed to set up the initial key holder database, but also reduces in-life costs of key holder management through automatic change management. Managed entrance is an additional access control policy that defines how a key holder accesses a building within a configurable time period. Occupancy tracking supports the ability to track occupancy rates within areas of the PAC access control system. It then offers a set of options, including reporting on those occupancy rates to inform you on how the building or property is being used, to supply users information, for example, being able to drive a traffic light system that shows when to enter or wait, or to limit the number of people in an area through restricting further access until the occupancy of an area falls back within defined limits. Guard Tour provides the ability to configure any number of guard tour routes around a building. Guard tours can be assigned to a time profile and to a named guard. This provides full flexibility on being able to set up different routes on different days or times of day. Simple to set up and for the guard to use by registering their PAC ID device at the defined readers, which effectively act as checkpoints. Guard Tour also includes uploadable maps, which can be used to provide all the information that the guard needs to complete the route. We also support software integrations through our API solution that opens up a world of added value, including the ability to drastically reduce the time and cost of key holder setup and in-life management through our standardized Active Directory integration, or offer integrator partners the ability to develop into working with other management platforms through our SDK. Please note there is a wealth of further information on PAC products available through our dedicated website and YouTube channel. Furthermore, we have dedicated sales, customer service and tech support teams ready to assist with all your support needs. Finally, our Commlit PAC Training Academy is ready to provide you with quality training on all aspects of the PAC solution, whether that be for sales, designers, installers, or operators of our systems. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation and for your engagement with the Commlit PAC brand.